I'm Treasure, and today we're doing a wash and go using the B-Girl. We'll be starting out on freshly washed and conditioned hair that has been detangled and placed into sections for easy manageability. Then we'll be going straight in with the styler. I'll be showing you how I apply my styler section by section, and then the next morning we'll go over how I stretch and shape my hair to my desired liking. Let's go ahead and get right into this wash and go. I just finished washing, conditioning, and detangling my hair. Today we're going to do a wash and go, of course, because that's just what we do over here. Today we're going to do a wash and go, and we're using the B-Girl Honey Curl Custard. It is really cold here in Michigan, so with the B-Girl, I like to use it alone on just my clean strands of hair, nothing additional. But since it's so cold here, I'm going to add a little bit of leave-in under my styler today. And I'm using the African Pride coconut oil. I'm going to go through and I'm going to put a little leave-in on each section of my hair first. And I'm going to allow that to sort of soak in. And then I'm going to go through with the B-Girl and apply that to each section. So that is going to be the order of products today. We're using the B-Girl and we're adding a leave-in. Immediately after trying B-Girl, the Curl Custard last year, I instantly knew it would become one of my favorite stylers. The hold that I get with this is unmatched. If you've ever used this alone on your bare strands before, you know the type of hold that this provides. This hold is greater than that. And this gives this gives a pretty decent hold on its own. But this hold is indescribable. Even after you stretch it, it still has a level of hold somehow. I'm not sure, but it's like magic. It's like magic. I mean, this leave-in conditioner is very hydrating, so I don't apply much to each section. I just try to make sure I rub it in pretty good, and that's why I like to allow it to sort of soak in on its own as well. At this point, I've used the same container gel at least 5 times. I'm pretty sure more, at least 5 times. And I still have over half of a jar left. A little really goes a long way with it. You don't need much. Foam, at this point I've used it under foam and I've used it under leave-in. I prefer either alone or under the leave-in so far. Before I found the B-Girl, I would combine these two to give me a similar feeling to this. I think that's why I like this so much, because the feeling that I was chasing after was the feeling that I get with the B-Girl, but this was the closest thing that I was able to come up with to give me that feeling. Does that make sense? I hope so. Trying to decide if I want to sit under my hooded dryer or use my diffuser. I don't know. The hold from this B-Girl amazes me every time. I love it. I love it. The hold is not as strong with the leave-in underneath. And when I did apply the leave-in, I did not apply a lot. I was pretty light with the amount leave-in that I use, because that is a pretty hydrating leave-in for me. Since that is a more moisturizing leave-in for me, I didn't want to saturate my hair, because I know then that it would change the way that the B-Girl reacted with my hair, or it would change the way that the B-Girl was able to absorb into my hair. So I kept it pretty light with the leave-in and stretching it out. I still have hold. It feels great. This is definitely how I prefer my wash and goes to feel. This is, with a wash and go like this, I can get 7 days easily if needed. I like to wash mine about the 5-6 day mark though, just because it just helps keep me on schedule. But I could easily stretch this to 7 days or more. In terms of stylers, the top 2 spots are held by the Doux products. I love the B-Girl. It easily rose to the top of my list when I first used it. It checks all of my boxes, everything that I need in terms of a styler for how I style my hair. I wear wash and goes 90% of the time, so this B-Girl really does everything that I need. If I had to go through, if there were, I need three. If I only had 3 stylers that I could use forever, this would definitely be one of those 3. I couldn't kick this one off of the boat. This one had to stay with me. I love a B-Girl wash and go. It's just something about it. I love a B-Girl wash and go. It has hold, it has definition, and it has longevity. My sister don't like it when I wear a middle part. And she be telling me to bring the side part back. Well, girl, I mean, I like the side part too. Don't get me wrong. I like the side part too. That is probably my fave look, or my fave way to wear my hair. The side part action. It just more closely resembles how I used to wear my hair for the several years that I wore my hair relaxed. I wore it in the side part. So I guess people are just used to seeing me like that. And I'm probably used to seeing myself like that too, to an extent. The middle part is convenient. It's easy to sleep on. It requires hardly like no maintenance for me. So this middle part keeps showing up. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications, all of the things. Please do all of the things for me.